How to claim Google Cloud credits free of cost. Here we'll cover in this video step by step. And if you are a participant of the Code Vipassana, this video is perfectly for you. Now here we are not talking about the monthly subscription of the Qwiklabs account. Here we are talking about official Google Cloud. Okay, where we build projects. Now come over here. First of all, you need to understand it's a part of Code Vipassana. In case you want to know how to register, I've shared the link in the description box. You can check it out, and it's a very easy and convenient program for all the learners. Now, once you register, the registration process, as I said earlier, is present in the description box. You can check it out. You will receive this email. From there, you have to simply click on this URL. Okay, just click on it. And after that, it will ask you to authenticate. Means either it will ask to sign in. Okay, sign into your account. Means so here it may ask you to sign in. For example, let me just show you. Okay. So here it may ask you to sign in or continue. You have to simply continue with your account, means personal Gmail account. After that, it will show a different dashboard over here. Wait for it. Okay. So if you get error like this, just click on this link again and just click on access your credits. Now by default, you can update your name and surname if you want to update, or you can just let it go. Here we have already got the coupon code. You need to just click on the link which you have received via email. Now just click on accept and continue. And finally the credit has been. Now suppose you want to view that whether the credits are applied over here or not. So first of all, you have to scroll down and here you'll see credits option. And here you can clearly see that the credits are available and they have been applied. So like this, you can verify that credits have been successfully applied or not. So in next video, we'll talk about how to create a project. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.